Hi guys, it's Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. I just want to point out the obvious and that my lip color is very different. It's a lot more bold than I normally wear. I shouldn't say that I normally wear, but that I wear like bold red lips sometimes, but mainly during the holidays because red is not my favorite color. But anyways, so this lip color is very bold. It's a little bit more on the purple side than I'm used to, but I like it because it is not, like, it's out there, but it's not like out there, if that makes sense. I really like it and it's super fun, and I just thought it went well with my outfit today and the Ipsy bag we're gonna talk about today. So I just wanted to have fun with it. I don't know if this is something that I would wear like out and about. I got it in a previous Ipsy bag, so I'll put it here and link it down in the description. I love the way that it feels on my lip. You can tell that it's going to be really, really long lasting. It's a newer to me, smaller brand that I've never heard of until I received it in that previous Ipsy bag. So now that I know I like it, I definitely want to try out more of their products. So I'll keep you guys posted on that. But this is the first time that I'm wearing it, and I absolutely love it and love the way that it feels on my lips, because to me a lot of times liquid lipsticks feel really heavy on your lips and this doesn't. It just feels like normal. But anyways, let's get into today's video. Today's video is yet another delayed Ipsy bag video. I'm getting back on that train of late videos. If you guys have been around for a while, you know that I used to have my Ipsy videos be late all the time, not on purpose, but my Ipsy videos were just never on time. Like January Ipsy bag wasn't posted in January, and now the February Ipsy bag isn't posted in February. It just happens sometimes. Life happens, as I like to say. I'm finally getting around to it, and I still upload these videos even though they're late because I just love them so much, and you guys know I love them so much. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into what's in my Ipsy bag for the month of February. First, I want to talk about this product that I received in my Ipsy bag. I don't know how to explain it, so even though I am gonna explain it, so I guess I know how. When I was logging into my Ipsy account, I think it was either to pick one of my February products, because you can pick one of your products now, at least in the Glam Bag subscription you can. So when I went to log in to pick one of those products, I received like a notification. It was right on the screen that I was randomly selected to receive a free gift, and it didn't state what it was. In fact, I'll insert the screenshot here so you can pause this video and read it. Basically, it just said I was randomly selected to receive a free gift. And this was that free gift, and honestly, it is not exciting at all, which I'm so sad about. I don't even know how to pronounce this brand because it's really fancy, but I'll put it here on the screen. It just says it's the very best cream supreme, and it just says, oh, it's a body cream. It says it's a luxury body cream formulated with Canadian botanicals, something I can't pronounce, and it just lists like the botanicals that it's made with. Refreshing orange and grapefruit essential oils leave skin decadently scented. I'm not a fan of essential oils. A couple of my face products that I use have essential oils in them, but like very, very little. And it's a very light scent, and I can smell this outside of the, like, without even opening it. So it's a very strong scent, so I'm going to be passing this along to somebody that would much rather use this than myself. I'm just really sad because it said you were selected to receive a free gift, and honestly, like, that shouldn't make me sad. Like, I don't know how they picked me or whatever. I was like excited about it, but I don't know, just not, I thought it was going to be more makeup based, or like maybe it was going to be like an extra full-size item. I don't know. This is just really disappointing to me that they kind of like hyped it up to just be this. That's just my 2 cents. Now finally getting into the content that were in, like the regular products that were in my Ipsy bag, not any free gifts or anything. This month's theme, or last month's theme now, was Feel the Love. And you guys know from the last Ipsy video that I posted that it states if the products are full-size, deluxe sample. Yeah, full-size or deluxe sample. Ipsy only does deluxe samples and full-size items now. They don't do like foil packets and things like that, so that's really exciting. I don't think I've mentioned this in any of my Ipsy videos yet, but the Ipsy Glam Bag, like the $12 a month subscription now, is now valued over at least $50. That's really, really exciting. I'm still paying the $10 a month fee because I've been subscribed for so long, honoring the $10 a month thing through this year. I'm still paying only $10 a month, and it's valued over at $50, so that's really, really great. The first product that I received in my Ipsy bag is by the brand Feel, and this is the Harmony Rose Petal Facial Mask. You guys know how I feel about face masks. They're not my favorite. I'm just a busy gal and don't take the time to do face masks. Should I? Yes. Do I? No. So I just really don't. And like I said, I should, but I don't. I'll pass this along to someone else that love face masks because I know some people are obsessed with them. It says roses are more than just a Valentine's Day gift. This gel mask that's packed with a concentrated trio of rose petals, rose essential oils, and rose flower extracts. Together, they deeply hydrate, help encourage skin cell turnover, and calm redness and sensitivity to give you your glowiest skin ever. Want even more calming effects from this gel mask? Store in the fridge for a little extra chill. This is a deluxe size sample, but the full size of this retails for $55. The next product that I received in my February 2020 Ipsy bag is an eyeshadow by The Balm Cosmetics. You guys know I love The Balm. It's one of my favorite brands, and it says, we're always excited when a product from The Balm comes across our desk. And the shimmery cream shadow has quickly become our new go-to. The rose gold silver flecks like a dream, and it's totally a unique shade that is versatile enough for day or to glam up your looks for night. The full size of this product is $29.50 because it comes in the Pedal to the Metal palette. So I actually have a palette, the Pedal to the Metal, one of the Pedal to the Metal palettes by The Balm. I received it at Ipsy Live. In fact, I'll show you guys which one I have. This is the full-size palette that I have from The Balm. And then this is the mini shadows. There's actually two Pedal to the Metal palettes from The Balm. There's the purple one and then the green one. I have this purple one, obviously. So this one is Shift into Neutral. I don't think there's like another name. But I'll insert a picture of the green one. I received this one at Ipsy Live. They let me choose between this one or the green one, and I don't remember what the green one was like of all of them, so I'll insert a picture of that one too. But all I remember is I know I liked this palette more. So here's what this palette looks like. I honestly haven't dabbled into it really at all, so it'll be good for me to dabble into it soon. I really need to dabble into it because I'm sure it's really great quality. More importantly, let's check out this shadow, since this is not one of the shadows in the purple palette. Honestly, their shadows are so gorgeous. Here's what it looks like. It's in the shade Turbo, and I will go ahead and swatch it. Here is what the swatch looks like of this eyeshadow. To be honest, it's not as pigmented as their other eyeshadows normally are for some reason, and I also feel like it has kind of a weird texture. I don't know, I just feel like it does have a weird texture. I know it's like more of like a cream eyeshadow, but even still, like I have some eyeshadows that are more cream based. It's not a cream eyeshadow, but it's like kind of like a mixture of like a cream and like a dry eyeshadow. But I don't know, beautiful, don't get me wrong, it's just not as pigmented to me normally as their other shadows are. It's still a gorgeous color. I absolutely love it and will definitely get use out of it. But here's the color payoff on my finger compared to when you actually blend it. You can have your own opinions about it. I'm just here to show you guys what it looks like, and it really is a beautiful color. The next product that was in my February Ipsy bag is a brush, obviously, and this is from the brand The Beauty Crop. I've been getting so many of their products lately. I have quite the collection of the Beauty Crop products. I have this brush, and then I received a liquid highlight from a Birchbox box, and then I received some other products from the Beauty Crop from Ipsy. So this was the product that I chose as part of one of the 5 products that I could pick. I obviously can't pick all 5, but they now let you pick one product for your Ipsy bag, and this is the one that I chose. I love receiving brushes in my Ipsy bag. I literally say that every time I receive one in my Ipsy bag, and I probably need to stop because you guys know that I love receiving brushes, but I honestly just hate cleaning my brushes. Some of them I honestly should throw out because I have not cleaned them in so long, and even if I clean them, they're probably still like too nasty. Not all my brushes are like that, but I can think of a few. So it's good for me just to have an extra stockpile, and not to mention this brush is absolutely gorgeous. I'm always blown away by the packaging and style of the Beauty Crop products, and of course their brushes too. Obviously this product is full size. You can't have like a sample size of a brush. Use this ombre pink and blue powder brush to apply loose and pressed setting powders, powder foundation, blush, or bronzer, and to set, mix, and NYX shine throughout the day. Plus, it's 100% cruelty free. And this is, again, full size, and it retails for $13. I always get use out of my brushes, so you guys know that this will be no different. The next product that I received in my bag is by IT Cosmetics, and this is the Your Skin But Better Primer Oil-Free Makeup Gripping Base. You guys know I'm not usually much into primers that aren't primer sprays, but I love IT Cosmetics. It's one of my favorite makeup brands, and I'm actually wearing their foundation today. I wear their foundation all the time. I actually use the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream. I really want to try this primer. I think that it will be a good combination, and I want to try this. I'm gonna swatch this for you guys because I just want to, I'm doing it for myself. I don't know if you can really you can't really see primer, but I just want to feel the consistency. It's like a shimmer. Oh wow, so that will really add some glow. Alright, I'm here for this. Oh wow, that would be such an interesting combination. I'll have to try this out and let you guys know what I think. I love the feeling of this. This is one of the most high quality primers that I've ever owned. This is really, really nice, and I think if anything, this primer will get me into using primer, if that makes sense. I use primer, but I use primer sprays, so I don't know if that counts, but I'm more excited about this product than I thought I would be, to be honest. I don't know if I've ever tried an IT Cosmetics product that I didn't like, though. I love IT Cosmetics. The quality of their product just literally blow me away every time. I don't know how they do it. It says not only does this multitasking primer keep your makeup looking fresh, it's packed with good for you ingredients like bark and ginger root extract that get your skin healthy and glowy from the inside out. Oil-free formula hydrates and helps your fine pores, plus it's light so you'll barely feel it on your skin. Of course, this is a deluxe size sample, but the full size retails for $39. I hope I don't love it too much because that's expensive and I cannot buy a $39 primer right now. That's just not realistic. Maybe someday. The last product that I received in my February 2020 bag is probably the one that I'm most excited for. I shouldn't say most excited for. This has been one of the best Ipsy bags that I've received in a hot minute. I'm really excited about this brand because it's one that I haven't tried before, but I've seen so much on Instagram and just heard so much about, but never tried any of their products. This is by Colored Rain, and it's a liquid lipstick, and I've heard such amazing things, like I said. I did see on the card that it is full size, and these liquid lipsticks are not cheap. Once I read the info on the card, I'll read you guys exactly how much because I don't remember right offhand, but I'm so excited for the shade. It is gorgeous, and the packaging is so fun. It's a little bit hard to see because it's really bright in here because I'm filming at night because it's the only time that I really get to film. The exposure is kind of high, so you can't really see it. I'll try to insert a better picture or something, but you guys know I do the close-ups of the B-roll and things like that. But I'm so excited to swatch this. I just can't wait any longer, so I'm gonna do that right now. Oh wow, this is gorgeous. This may be one of my favorite lippies. I haven't even tried it on my lips yet, but I know the swatch isn't that perfect, so I apologize. The lighting is just really not true to color tonight. This is definitely a darker mauve. It's showing up more on camera like red, like a red mauve, but it's definitely a deep rosy mauve. It is so gorgeous. I'm honestly just so blown away. So smooth, and it's gorgeous. It is literally so smooth, and I cannot wait to wear it, and I can totally see this being featured in a current favorites video, and I have one of those coming hopefully soon, so I'm just so excited to share this with you guys, and, well, not share the product itself because it's mine, but share with you more about the product as I continue to use. Before I read the info on the card, I realized I didn't even share what shade that lip color was in because I got so excited, but it's in the shade 24/7. It says, looking for a lip color you can wear from work to weekend and that won't dry your lips out in the cold? This creamy liquid formula is for you. The pink liquid lipstick doesn't budge, seriously, and it dries to a gorgeous matte finish that's 0% drying. Plus, just one swipe gives you intense color pick. Okay, I could have swore that it said that this was a full size. Okay, this has to be full size because it's a deluxe sample, but then it says the value size version of this product is 4 grams and it retails for $17. I swear this is full size, but I guess not. I'm still going to link it down below as the full size product because I think it's full size even though it's not. But this is a very generous deluxe sample. Although it does say specifically made for Ipsy for Colored Rain, not for resale. I am going to link the full size product down below because it's very similar. Anyways, we have that mystery solved. That is everything in my February 2020 20 Ipsy bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I absolutely loved almost everything that was in my Ipsy bag. The only thing that I wasn't a fan of was the free gift, and then of course Harmony peel-off mask. So I wasn't a fan of those two products, but literally everything else I'm absolutely in love with and I'm going to use. Like, I cannot wait. So I'm really, I don't know, there's something about these products I'm really excited to try and just talk to you guys more about. I'll catch you guys in my next video. I will have all the products linked individually down below in the description box in case you're interested in purchasing any of them individually. And I'll also have a link down below you can subscribe to Ipsy. So I think that's it, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!